Hey guys, today I want to talk to you about this camera mount. It connects to your headrest or any other like skinny bar or like anything solid that is about this size. It's a pretty small hole, but enough for like a headrest bar. This works with my Sony a7R III and a 16-35 f2.8 G Master lens. That setup with a microphone weighs probably like 2, 3, 4 pounds, and this holds the weight just fine. It doesn't move as long as you adjust these well. This whole piece is solid aluminum, machined. It comes with a GoPro mount too. I'll show you that in a second, as soon as I find it. Oh, right here, I'm dumb. Yeah, it's this like solid aluminum piece, like the screw part is solid aluminum. It mounts on top of here. This is a 1/4 mount, so it fits on like the bottom of most cameras. Super sturdy. I'm gonna include some driving footage right after this. I'm gonna include some forward-facing GoPro footage to show you how much this actually moves while you're driving. And as far as mounting goes, there's 4 bolts right here that use a 3mm Allen key. You're gonna use those to like attach it to whatever bar. I attach it to my Vader seat headrest in my E36 M3, and no problems. I use it with my GoPro, I use it with this camera. It just makes great driving footage. You can also buy this piece separate. It costs like $10, I think, which I highly recommend if you're gonna use it with a tripod or anything for your GoPro. What else? I also bought this Hotshoe mount for GoPro. So it connects to like regular cameras, and you can, if you're gonna go out shooting, you wanna shoot a video of what you're taking photos of, this is a very good way to do it. If you have a cage for your camera, you can attach it on the side of your cage or like wherever else you have a Hotshoe mount, and then you can still use your microphone. I'll attach a link to this in the description. I'll attach a link to this, and I'll attach a link to the whole setup. This whole setup costs like $60, $70. I think I paid $60 for it, and I think they raised the price like $10 since I bought it. And then this one was also $10, but you can buy these 2 separate for $20 for the both of them. I'll include Amazon affiliate links in the description. If you guys want to go there and buy it, it would support me, and I would appreciate it. Yeah, if there's anything else that I forgot, I'll put it in the description. For now, some driving footage and some footage of how steady it is at speed. Thank you guys. Okay, so this is the car that I'm installing it on. This is my E36 M3. I'm gonna mount the GoPro in here real quick, and then I'll get a video of me actually installing the mount on the driver's seat. Okay, so once you're in the car, you're gonna have this mount. You're gonna have your 3mm Allen wrench, and then you're gonna install it on the driver's seat. Put the headrest in. It's only gonna go down so far because now you've added that extra like inch or so. Okay, so make your final adjustments, make sure this is level, because that's where your camera's gonna be at. I'm gonna take this GoPro mount off, throw it in the cup holder, and then now I can mount my regular camera on there. Okay, so this camera angle, you can pretty much see the whole cockpit if you have a wide enough angle lens. Here's what that view looks like. We're gonna go for a ride up Big Cottonwood Canyon. I'm probably gonna speed a little bit. Listen to that S54. This car red lights at 8,000. If you don't know that already, well, actually a little bit above, but I only take it to 8. You can see this mount is pretty sturdy during normal driving, but if you're going over any bumps or anything, they could move a little bit. But just adjust the plastic pieces, or if you have anything that you can get more leverage than just your fingers, you'll be fine. Okay, so now that I'm on the road, you
can actually kind of see what the camera mount can do, how sturdy it is, stuff like that. You'll see it bounce around a little bit, but overall it doesn't really move. Okay, this is super uncommon, but I've just seen like an Instagram friend. He just got off work. He works at BMW Murray. Shout out to him. He has a white F30 with red wheels, and then he also has, I haven't seen it in person before, but this immaculate Hellroute red E36 M3. I'm pretty sure it's like low mileage. I'll catch back up to him. This car sounds so good. Glad that I'm rolling the cameras though. Fuck, it looks so good. Now I'm in the canyon and I'm trying to drive the car like I stole it, but there is a Land Cruiser in the way. Oh, dude, thank you so much. Big Cottonwood Canyon is only about 15 minutes from where I live, if that. Probably closer to 10. But it's one of the best driving roads that I personally know of, especially in my short time in Utah. I think there are other drives that have opened up. They didn't open a lot of them because of the snow and COVID, and they just didn't want to put their money toward that. But here we are. I want to pull off after this turn. Give a little time before I catch up to the people again. Okay, yeah, this is where I'm gonna end the video. Buy them out if you want. Like and subscribe, please. Thank you so much.